Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. You are watching Techie Stupidzz. If you guys didn't subscribe our YouTube channel yet, do subscribe us and follow us on Instagram as well. Today we're gonna see what is Selenium and how to automate a sample test case with Selenium WebDriver. So let's get into the video.
Okay, we'll be mentioning the prerequisites of writing a sample test case in Selenium, and we'll be writing in Java. So we need to download and install Java 8 or higher version of it and install Eclipse IDE. So if you people have not watched the videos yet, we'll be posting that in our description. You can go ahead and watch that. And we'll be seeing how to download the Selenium WebDriver Java client and how to configure it. And we'll be seeing how to download Chrome driver. So let's get started.
Yeah,
So firstly, open your Eclipse. Selenium is a framework for testing web applications, and it supports various browsers like Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, and Internet Explorer. You'll be using different browser drivers respective to the browser you'll be using, and we'll be using today how to do it with Chrome driver. Okay, we'll create a new Java project. You can click on File, or you have a shortcut. Okay, click on File, New.
create a new Java project.
Project.
Project. Okay.
Project.
So Java project.
Yes.
Next. Let me name
You
it
can
as
Selenium.
Selenium. Finish.
Yep. Don't create.
Don't create a model. Open perspective. Should I open it or no?
Open perspective. Open.
Open perspective. Okay, I have done.
We'll be downloading Selenium WebDriver Java client. So go to the Chrome window or type selenium.dev.
Selenium.dev.
This link takes us to the official website of the Selenium. So we'll be going to the download section of that.
Okay, downloads.
We'll be posting this link in the description so you can go and check out there. Please scroll to Selenium client and WebDriver language bindings. Yep. So Selenium supports many languages. So as we are going to do with Java, we'll be downloading Selenium client WebDriver, which is respectively the Java. So download for that.
Okay, download is successful. Let me open this. Okay, let me extract this. Uh, done.
Okay. And now go to your Eclipse. Okay. Right click on SRC and create a Java class.
Okay. So,
Give package name as com.youtube or com.selenium or com.test, anything you wish to.
Selenium. Okay.
Sample test case.
Okay, next.
Yeah, click on finish.
Yeah, I
Okay,
have created the sample class.
so we'll be adding Selenium jar files in a project. So right click on the project,
Okay,
properties,
properties.
and we have selected Java build path on our left hand side,
Yeah.
and we'll be selecting libraries.
Okay, libraries.
Okay, click on class path. You'll be able to see that add external jars. So click on external jars, add external jar.
Okay,
And now open the folder where you extracted the zip file which we downloaded.
I guess it should be here. Yeah.
Yes, we'll be adding this to jar file. Select that
Okay.
and click on open. Again, click on class path and add external jar.
Okay.
Uh, Go inside lips folder.
Okay.
Add all the jar files available here
Okay. Done.
and apply and close. By adding the jar files in the project, it allows us to write code related to the Java framework. So we'll be writing a main method now. So let's get started.
Yeah. Please guide me.
Main method.
Public static void main. I'm right.
Yep. String.
String of arguments.
Yes.
Okay.
And now we'll be setting the system property to the Chrome driver. So we'll be writing system.set property.
System dot set property. Okay.
And inside double quotes, we'll be mentioning the driver. So inside double quotes, webdriver.chrome.driver.
Dot Chrome.
We'll be in need of executable Chrome driver file. So we'll be downloading that. So please go to the Chrome and search for WebDriver for Chrome.
Okay. The first one.
Yes, that is the official link of it. So we'll be going inside that. As we are using the version 91, we'll be selecting 91 version and we'll click on that.
This one.
Yes, it will be showing for different OS. As we are using Windows, we'll be downloading Chrome driver for Windows. Yes.
Okay. This should be unzipped.
Open the. Yes, it should be unzipped.
Let me unzip this. Yeah. I've done it. Okay. Shift right click. So I should copy the path from here.
Yes, when we do shift right click, we'll be getting copy as path. So we'll be copying that.
Okay. Next.
Yeah, in the place of null, inside double quotes, please paste it. After copying and pasting the path, add on extra slash after everything. So that will be recognized as the path.
Okay.
And next, we'll be creating an object for WebDriver. Create an object for Chrome WebDriver.
Okay.
And to import the packages related to that, we'll be using Control Shift O shortcut.
Control Shift O. Okay.
So the required packages will be imported. Okay, we'll be navigating to Google home page. So we'll be please write a statement for navigating to Google home page.
Driver dot navigate dot to. Okay, fine. Next.
So we have written a sample test case for opening a Chrome window. So we'll be checking whether it's working fine or not. So please save the class and run it.
I just saved it. Let me run this. Yeah, we have did it successfully. We have navigated to Google homepage.
In this video, we have seen how to open Chrome window in Selenium automation. We'll see you in next video.
So if you guys like this video, don't forget to click on the thumbs up and subscribe us and share to your friends. Bye bye.